Everyone is talking about AI, but what is it? As so often, there is no clear, agreed definition of AI. Nowadays, typically people mean something that involves machine learning and probably a large language model. Machine learning is a process where you have an algorithm and it forms its inner workings by learning. So it is shown examples and then learns to make the right outputs. To give an example, you could show an algorithm cats and dogs and label them as cats and dogs, and after a while it would learn to recognize new images of cats and dogs. So what are large language models then? Large language models are models where you're predicting the next word in a sentence. And they're typically trained by the entire content of the internet obtained by so-called scrapers. And then they can predict the next word in a sentence. And so if you give them a question, they might predict the first word of the answer. And the exciting thing is you can now iterate and you can give the question plus the first word of the answer and get the second word and continue like this on and on to get an entire answer. And these answers seem to make sense. And there you have it in a nutshell. A large language model is a text predicting model that gives us maybe some answers to some questions. Quite a simple concept, right? But it doesn't mean this isn't extremely powerful. Just think about how much more is it that we do as humans other than predicting the next action or the next word in an answer.